Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video, this video is mostly for the guys out there. I'm gonna show you ladies how to make peanut and plantain porridge. Alright, this porridge is gonna strengthen guys them back. Alright, so ladies, you can make this porridge for your husband, your boyfriend, your baby daddy, anybody. You can make this porridge for them, and trust me, it's gonna work. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Guyanese peanut and plantain porridge, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton, all right? And I also have another video that I made for the guys. It's called Guyanese gun oil. I will leave that link down below for my Guyanese gun oil, okay? So you ladies can go and make that for your significant other as well, all right? And also want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients for this peanut and plantain porridge, all my ingredients will be in the description box down below, okay guys? And I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch my ads in my video, that helps me out a lot, and it would make me to continue bringing videos for you guys with the little ad that play in my video. All right, so I'm going to show you my ingredients now. So I hope you guys enjoy this Guyanese peanut and plantain porridge. Enjoy. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my peanut and plantain porridge. So over here I have some vanilla essence, cinnamon stick, clove, and some nutmeg. And here I have grated plantain. This is about 3 small plantain that I grate up with my grater. Here I have some raw peanuts. I soaked this for about 2 hours. Here is my coconut milk, and for sweetener I have some condensed milk. So let's get started. All right guys, so the first thing I'm going to do here is pour in my raw nuts into the blender and some of my coconut milk. I'm going to close it up and give it a blend. While my peanut is blending there, I just pour like half of a water in this pot here. So I'm going to put in my cinnamon stick to boil and my clove stick and let it boil. We'll be back. Alright guys, so my peanut finished blending up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in my grated plantain, and I'm going to put some full cream milk, about half of a cup, and I'm going to put it back again to blend till it gets smooth. So my peanut and my plantain finished blending up. So this is the consistency here. So I'm gonna pour this in my water now. Alright guys, so my water has been boiling for like 5 minutes with the clove and the cinnamon stick. So you're gonna pour in your creamy plantain and peanut mixture here. So just pour everything inside the plantain and peanut mixture. So you're gonna give it a stir. You have to stir this constantly, because if you don't, it's gonna get very lumpy, and nobody wants a lumpy porridge. No, 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 no. Especially the men. This porridge is made for the men. Plantain and peanuts would strengthen the men them back. So this is a good porridge for the men. Alright guys, my flash came off, so sorry if the video is a little too dark for you guys, but it has been boiling for about 7 minutes. So now I'm going to pour in my coconut milk. and some full cream milk, and I'm gonna give it a stir just like this. Make sure the milk combine well. Alright guys, so we'll be back. Alright guys, so my flash came on back finally. So this is how my porridge is looking here. It's been boiling for about 20 minutes. But guys, I didn't move from the pot. I keep on stirring and stirring it, right? Because this is easy to get burned. So just stay at the pot there and keep your eyes on it, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sweeten my porridge. So I'm gonna pour in half tin of my condensed milk for first, and let's see if it needs more. And give it a stir. And also I'm gonna pour in my vanilla essence and my nutmeg and stir everything in. Stir, stir, stir. You guys keep on stirring it, because if you don't keep stirring it, it's gonna burn, and nobody wants to eat a burned peanuts and plantain porridge. All right, so let me just go and taste it off. Oh no, let me see if I can taste it right on camera here. Okay, need the balance of the condensed milk. So therefore, it's a whole tin of condensed milk I use for this recipe. All right guys, and all my measurements and ingredients, hey, be quiet. All my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. So I'm gonna keep on stirring this and let this boil for like 5 more minutes, and we're all done. And it's all done. So I'm going to taste this on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Sorry about the noise, my baby's so excited about the TV. Alright guys, we'll be back with the end results. Alright guys, so this is my small bowl here. So I'm gonna pour out my pouring out my peanut and plantain porridge here guys. It is gonna be so delicious. And I'm gonna eat this with some crackers, some Crick's crackers. Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste it now and let you guys see. Yum, 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 yum. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese peanut and plantain porridge. I don't think you guys can see it because the lighting. Okay, here it is. You see it here? Good. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Here it goes. I know it's gonna be so delicious. And this is a healthy porridge as well too guys. It's healthy. So here it goes. Wow. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. You got to try this plantain and peanut porridge. And this is homemade. Guys, try this recipe. You won't regret it. This is so good. Even my mom already done drink out a whole bowl of she porridge. Alright guys, so I can't stop eating it. This is how so good this porridge is. Anyway guys, oh my god, it's so flavorful and delicious. Okay, let me put this down and end the video and come back and eat. Alright guys, so if you reach the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, and every day in October I will be bringing a video for you guys, so please come back every day and you will get a video from me, sometime 2 videos per day as well. So please keep your notification on. That's by clicking the bell, and you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, so I hope everyone have a blessed day, and don't forget So please watch the ads at the end of the video. All right, pretty please. Thank you guys so much for everyone who has been supporting me by watching my video and watching my ads. Thank you guys so much for your support. All right, take care and have a blessed night. Bye guys.